But although his guest was now so well groomed, neat and clean appearance, now he was appearing neat and clean. The ironmaster did not seem pleased, did not seem happy. He looked at him with puckered brow. Puckered means here wrinkled brow, means he doubted, suspected. And it was easy to understand that when he had seen the strange fellow in the uncertain reflection from the furnace, he might have made a mistake. Now he understood that night when he saw the rat trap seller, he had made some mistake. But that now, when he stood there in broad daylight, it was impossible to mistake him for an old acquaintance. Means now he understood that he was not the man as he was thinking, the ironmaster was thinking. So it was in the broad daylight, there was no chance to commit any mistake on his part. He understood that the man was not his old friend. What does this mean? He thundered. Means in a loud voice he spoke. The stranger made no attempt to dissimulate, hide. He saw at once that the splendor, the great time had come to an end. The stranger's great time had come to an end. It is not my fault, sir, he said. I never made any false action, pretended to be anything but a poor trader. He said that he had never made any false action to show that he was something else, but he had only shown that he was a poor trader. And I pleaded and begged to be allowed to stay in the forge. He had requested to allow him to stay in the forge only. But no harm has been done. At worst, I can put on my rags again and go away. He said that he would again put on his rag and go away. Well, said the ironmaster, hesitating a little, it was not quite honest either. It would not be honest to leave you this way, allow you to go this way. You must admit that, and I should not be surprised if the sheriff would like to have something to say in the matter. Means indirectly he said that he would inform the administration, means the police, in this matter. The tramp took a step forward and struck the table, beat the table with his fist. Now I am going to tell you, Mr. Ironmaster, how things are, he said. The tramp now, beating the table, he said to the ironmaster, this whole world is nothing but a big rat trap, he said. All the good things that are offered to you are nothing but cheese rinds, pieces of cheese rinds and bits of pork. He said that all the good things in this world, those are just like cheese rinds and bits of pork, set out to drag a poor fellow. These are thrown to drag a poor fellow like him.